How to activate an AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart. Google search for activate AT&T prepaid phone. You can do this on your phone as well. And click on the first link that pops up here. Activate your prepaid phone, new phones, SIM cards, so on and so forth. Now, once we select this, then we will scroll down until we see bought your SIM kit or phone at a store other than AT&T, get started. So we want to select get started. Now it's going to ask us how many devices we are activating. So for me, it's going to be one device, and I'm going to click on continue here. Alright, so it's going to identify your device. So you will need to provide the ICC ID number. If you have any trouble finding it, we're just going to click on where do I find it. So it's going to be here. Here's where you can find it, or on a white label on your device packaging, on your SIM or eSIM activation. And it's basically just going to be the longer code, so 20-digit number. Once you provide that, then we are going to have to provide the IMEI number as well. Here you will need to dial this number, and you can see your IMEI number, and you can just copy it. All right, so once we have done this, we will have to choose our plan. So what plan are we going to use for AT&T? Then we're going to review our cart and just click on checkout here, and we got to pay for our plan, which we have selected, and it is as simple as that. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.